Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at LG's latest ThinQ appliances. Keeps you connected to your laundry. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. LG's new WM9000 smart washer has ThinQ technology that lets you control your washer from virtually anywhere, anytime. Start cycles, check time remaining, and more, right from your phone. This washer is a tank. It is made with graphite steel and is equipped with a 5.2 cubic foot drum and includes both steam and turbo wash technology. Turbo wash activates high pressure nozzles to boost washing power and cuts wash time by up to 30 minutes without sacrificing any performance. The steam technology gently but powerfully penetrates fabrics to virtually eliminate dirt, odours and wrinkles. There is even a cold wash feature that penetrates deep into fabrics for cold water savings with warm water performance. Do you or anyone in your family have allergies? The Allergy cycle uses the power of steam to remove over 95% of pet dander and dust mites. With a huge 5.2 cubic foot mega capacity, it cleans a king-size comforter and a full-size set of bedding in one swoop. All of these awesome features and the Energy Star certification helps you save money on utility bills without sacrificing performance or comfort. This LG washer is twin wash compatible. This means that you can add on the LG Sidekick pedestal washer to tackle 2 loads of laundry at the same time. To get into this technology-rich washer, it will cost you between $1,700 and $1,900. And with new technology, you will always come to a point where you will need a repair. ApplianceVideo.com has you covered. They have created a complete series of videos to help you fix this LG washer yourself. With a library of over 6,000 repair videos, ApplianceVideo.com should have what you need to assist with your next repair. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.